Are you tired of those recommended songs cluttering up your Spotify playlist? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, we'll demonstrate how to remove recommended songs from your playlists on Spotify. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to declutter your Spotify playlists and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Removing recommended songs is a breeze, and you can do it on your mobile, whether it's Android or iPhone, as well as on your computer. Let's get started. Log into your Spotify account and click on Your Library. Select the playlist that has those pesky recommended songs. For illustration, I'll use this playlist, but you should choose the one where Spotify is recommending songs. Once you're in the playlist, find the recommended song you want to remove. Simply click on the three dots next to the song. A menu will appear. Click on the option to hide song, and voila, the recommendations are gone. If you ever change your mind and want them back, you can easily turn them on again. You'll notice a minus sign inside a circle appears, indicating that the song is now hidden. If you ever want to unhide it, simply click on the same icon, and it's as easy as that. It's that simple. Now your Spotify playlist is free from unwanted recommendations. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.